Coveya recently supplied a reconditioned EK600 to Restructa, an electrical equipment recycling firm. The conveyor is 5.26 meters long and is helping recycle old IT equipment. This is done by feeding broken glass TV screens through a screener, which grades them into 3 sizes, and then they are sold as decorative garden material. The conveyor was fitted with a 50mm cleated belt in order to convey the material efficiently at an angle of just over 20 degrees. Glass TV screens can be sharp and abrasive, and the conveyor has been specified with high sidewalls, rubber skirting, and a troughed belt to cope with this. If you'd like to learn how our conveyor solutions can help your business, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.